Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video, I'll be showing you Trade Republic how to cash out. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Trade Republic app, and once you open it, here you'll be seeing this kind of home screen, right? And now on the top left corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your portfolio, and under it you'll be seeing your available balance. Now in order to withdraw that amount, what you need to do is you can see bunch of options located on the bottom bar. Simply tap on the person icon or your profile icon. Once you tap on it, here you'll be seeing your profile page, right? Now in order to withdraw, simply tap on the option that says withdraw on the top right of the screen. And once you tap on withdraw, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now a thing to keep in mind is while withdrawing, you can only send back the money to the account you have entered while registering your trade account. Now what you need to do is simply enter in the amount, and then once you have entered the amount, simply tap on the button on the bottom bar that says withdraw. That's basically how to cash out in Trade Republic, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be, and consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.